My name is Jennifer Quintero. My group is number 26, May 2020. Google General Description. Google is an American company founded in September 1998. Whose main product is a search engine called page and search brain. The term is often used as a synonym for this search engine, the most widely used in the world, the most outstanding feature of Google a search engine is it as of house. Description of the problem. 7 fields in the code might be the best opinion to keep them sound, and I believe the problem is that you do not have full control over them and errors can occur, as happened with some video files from users of Google Photos that come into the hands of strange. Cause of the problem. Not having control of their users and their personal data. Users wanted to carry their photos to a different service, had to go through many tedious steps to do so. Consequence. Many users are lost when reporting the bad experience with the product. Consistently disappointing to many users who had invested time and effort in many of those products. If this application constantly fail their user will and filing. Thank you.